Alright, so back to doing some game dev. Um, so current problem I'm having is my witch that's supposed to shoot fireballs is spinning around when she does her animation, which is not what I want. Um, so I'm gonna to make this all start a bit quicker. I'm going to turn off every character, and I'm going to turn off my whole turn off my cannons, turn off Enviro. I actually removed Enviro from the game. Get rid of these hills. I don't know why I've even got a random tree there. I'll get rid of that. So I'm doing this to we don't need Vegetation Studio Pro. Doing this just to make everything run a little bit quicker. I do want to add a bit of light though, because I can't see anything otherwise. Right, and now hopefully it will start much sooner. The scene will start up much quicker. So it's someone who hasn't seen the other videos, just want to emphasize the reason this looks so clunky and I have so many errors. This isn't a separate branch of the project where we're just doing the trailer and we don't maintain the code at all, and we basically hack things to get the trailer to work. Right, so let's see. Now if I turn on root motion, her animation looks good, but every time she does this thing, she starts spinning around and sinking into the ground. So what I want to see if I can do is turn off the rotation in the behavior that is controlling her movement. And so this is what I'm saying, that I could do this a nice way, which would be to actually solve the underlying problem, or I can do this the hack way, which will be a little bit faster. Now, the other annoying thing is working on the one monitor, just so you can see what I'm doing for YouTube. But I'm not doing a lot, so it's okay. So, store current rotation to rotation. So, everywhere we're gonna get rid of that. Look at destination, we're gonna get rid of that. Actually, Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna basically bake the rotation into the transform. So I'm gonna pretty much hard code them to face the right direction. Substantiate ability prefab with rotation. So we shoot fireball. So I need to find the settings that are controlling this behavior. And shoot fireballs. Destination. So we're gonna add another transform, which will be Quaternion. There's something wrong with my project, so why is it? Hang on, something's wrong with this. Why? It's not showing any syntax highlighting because it hasn't loaded the project properly. So I think I go into project settings and editor. Edit preferences. So generate the project files. So normally I shouldn't have a problem here. Why is it complaining? Why is it not loading my project properly? Loading project, yep, that looks good. I love these pop-ups. Really love these pop-ups. Processing files, okay. So I wanna basically say transfer variable destination. So what I want to do is where we have instantiate ability prefab with rotation. So I'm going to hack this script and add another. Destination, and then I want to say instantiate instead of rotation dot value. Okay, and I suck with this, so I'm gonna get Chat GPT to fix my code. Change this so rotation dot value is instead this the rotation of so I need, who is my, one thing I find really annoying is when Unity reloads the scripts like every time doing here. I don't know why it's so bad at loading these scripts. Like, come on, it doesn't take this long. It shouldn't take this long to compile. And why is it loading all these terrain layers and shit? I didn't even change them. There's a tool for like Java called JRebel, which only compiles the stuff that you change, and it compiles stuff super duper quickly. Well, not compile, but hot swaps code really well. I wish Unity would do something like that, but I guess they can't make money off developer productivity, so they just don't give a fuck about it. But yeah, I don't know. You think that if dev productivity was better, people would make more games, and that would result in more revenue for Unity, but I don't know. I guess they don't think that way. Right, so my own position is actor, I believe. Right, is the instead of the rotation, so the rotation that values instead of the rotation required that actor dot rotation faces towards destination. Right, and this is the code that I want. Yep. Okay. Now let's check it. Destination value, the position is yep, that looks correct. On the horizontal plane. No. Calculate the required rotation to face the direction, destination, normalize, that looks correct. Instantiate target position, the look rotation. Instantiate actor, get component. Target. What did I have before? Instantiate target dot value. Yeah. Alright, well, it looks kind of reasonable. Let's check it out. Okay, so instantiate at destination. So this is going to be a dynamic variable called destination. And store results. I don't think I need rotation because I'm calculating the rotation. Okay. Why is it playing the animation twice? Play animation. No. We just want to do that. Duration, animation, scale. I guess this one's probably not being used anymore, but whatever. I don't want to spend too much time cleaning up the code because, again, this is all pretty much throwaway stuff. Okay. So, let's see how that looks now that I've basically hard-coded their rotation. I can't wait to just finish this trailer so I can just forget about it. Like, this is really soul-sucking. Well, okay, so they're not shooting the fireballs. That's annoying, but at least they're not spinning around anymore. So that's fine. Okay, so what is the error that we get? Okay, so I want to do instantiate ability prefab. So target is the ability prefab. So the target, we instantiate target with that rotation. I can grab my old code so I can compare what it's doing. Target value to instantiate. So just kind of stick to this, but put my rotation here. Okay. And I want to put a breakpoint here to see what the just check that the rotation's not being set to like null or something weird. Okay. You know, when you think about doing game dev, you don't really think about just tweaking like a trailer. It's so time consuming. But, I mean, we have to do a trailer to kind of, I don't know, share the vision of the game with people. Otherwise, you know, they'll just kind of... They won't... Oh, I mean, we could set up, like, a similar scene to this using just what we have in the game, but... Some stuff, like, I guess the cannons are... There's a couple of things that are not done, and it'll just be a bit clunky and difficult to get a good recording. Okay. So... Is it not even reaching that point? Okay, where is the error happening? I can't even tell if all these errors are happening because of the change that they here, or there's like sometimes when you have errors, it kind of causes the whole stack to fall over basically, and everything stops working properly. So let's just turn on all our creatures here, except for the, oh, I guess we'll turn on the Cyclops as well. Okay, and we'll turn on Enviro, because why not? Right, and I think all these witches, I think that their animations are working okay now though, so we'll turn back on root motion. This one should be standing on the ground. All of them are slightly hovering above the ground, which is a little bit annoying. Of course, they're you don't have physics in the game. We have pathfinding, but none of this guy's like underground. Alright, let's see whether these animations look good now. So I'm probably going to get rid of the fireball rune thing that appears underneath them. Like, I don't really like when games have really flashy effects, because it makes it very difficult to see what's going on. And, I don't know. Like, Path of Exile, for example, has... Okay, here's the error. There's no... What? Why is there no... Okay, so the error happens over here. Why are you not... all these guys, they're Animations look stupid because they don't have root motion. Root motion's very annoying to deal with. So if I fix his... See his feet slide around? If I turn off root motion, then it looks good. But... I'm going to turn on for all of them, I'm going to turn on their root motion and see how it works. The thing with root motion is that it only moves this transform, and we have the animator kind of nested down, so it creates a bit of a problem. So let's grab all these guys and turn on root motion for everyone, and we'll see whether that works or not. Okay, so this is where the null pointer was, so I'm not sure why there's a null pointer though. So I'm pretty sure both of these are being set, but we'll see. Oh, I've been sitting for so long, I've got a hydraulic desk, so I'm just gonna stand up. Okay. Right, so where's our null pointer? Destination. Destination unknown. Why? Why is your... Okay. So why are these guys still sliding around? Okay, so that's orc drudge mesh. Let's give them some root motion as well. I saw this model a while back, and I thought that this model was really cool for like a orc peon. I don't think I'd change anything about it. Some varieties would be nice, maybe like, I don't know, some piercings and shit, different. There's I think like different handprints on them, but I think those are pretty cool. These guys. Yeah, let's turn off the helmet so you can see his face. Just turn off helmets for a couple of them to give it some more variety. Variety is always good. Okay, let's I wish there was like a button to collapse all these characters. Alright, so let's check. So they do have a destination, so why is this not being set properly? Let's check the canvas again. Okay. Oh, I don't understand. Okay, let's try again. Well, the value is definitely there. Okay. And yet when it comes here, the value is null. Okay, let's check. Still see a couple guys sliding around, so we'll fix those, but see if I looked at a witch and look at they all have destination. This one's got destination, that one has. Well, that's weird that it doesn't exist. Okay, alright, you know what? I'm just gonna fix some other stuff at the moment, because this is bothering me, and I hate having so many errors in here. It just drives my OCD. Alright, so first thing, gotta turn on the cannons so they stop complaining. And Mr. Cyclops over here. Where is his? There's his thing. Alright, and doesn't have an animation controller. Yeah, you can't see what I'm typing. Because Unity, because I have to work on one screen. So you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think that's the one we want. What does he... I guess we'll find out what he does. Alright, and I think each of these goblin warriors... See, base mesh. So turn on root motion for all these. And they have these like assassin guys. Or these ninja orc assassin guys. Yes. So their animations are on orc assassin. Turn on root motion there. Right, I want to save the scene for now, so don't lose progress from something weird happening. So the weird thing is, right, that on execute safe, why isn't this happening? Like, so annoying, and now I have to wait another 30 seconds because I accidentally pushed tab. Was it this? So frustrating. And this, like, hurts productivity really badly when every little change is like, you have to wait 30 seconds. After I finish this trailer, and I'll probably, I mean, I don't know if I'll have the motivation to put machine guns into it. I probably won't, because it just takes so freaking long to work on anything in this branch of the project. I gotta make a new branch and I'll get rid of a whole bunch of unused shit there that slows down the project. Alright. These fucking trees. Just want to show that I've got fireballs in the game, alright? So I have to script these witches to shoot fireballs just to show that I have spellcasting in the game. I mean, I'll show it elsewhere as well, but I want to show that it's not just your main character that you control that has them. Please have right destinations there. Transfer variable, okay. Yep, so transfer should have, fucking get the fuck out of this. Transfer, yep, it's got destination there, and that's what I expect. That's gonna trigger many times because everyone's got why is this value null? Fuck's sake. And this one's null as well. I don't understand. Okay, let me check something. So if I want to look at shoot fireballs, just want to remind myself which okay, so like this one here. Well, I'm just wondering if I'm running them in the right on update. Right, so set destination. So, I mean, why am I doing this? Alright, it's transferring the variable to the other one. Okay. So, this one, when does this happen? Fucking get the fuck out of here. Come on, open this code. Why is this code not opening? Okay. Store. Okay, also let's look at this one. Alright, I'm gonna have to take a small break to have a bit of a think. Alright, back to the suffering. So, do their behavior component, destination position. So when I do look at destination in here, it's fine. When I do spawn over here, destination. Is that why? Because I'm setting the wrong type. Okay. That would probably explain it. See, it's always a good thing to walk away from your code sometimes instead of just keep staring at it. So I went and ate some fruit, got some fizzy water. And I would guess that that's probably what the issue was. Just gotta open this other spell. Is it target? Yeah, of course, because I'm putting the vector 3 and I'm trying to get it as a transform, so that's why it's failing. Alright, so we should be able to spawn the fireball now. Yeah, there we are. But why are they spinning again? For fuck's sake. And sinking into the ground. Okay, let's look at this. Animation. Okay. Let's try that. I don't really like this, like embers or whatever you want to call this. So if I go to fireball effect, and of course you can't see this, but fireball. Oh, here's the fireball cast effect. Where's the little... I'm gonna get rid of the decal because I don't really like it. And particles. I don't want that many particles, so just do a few. And if we set the size a bit smaller. Okay, what does this even do? Right, it's the size of those little embers. Okay, no, that's fine. I think this, in that case, it's the shape. What's this weird effect that's happening? Okay, I don't know why I can't see. Why is it not showing it to me? we'll keep it like that. Oh no, it's a memory leak. Oh fuck, I need to turn this off. If I don't turn gizmos off, there's gonna be like a huge amount of it's gonna be a bazillion lines drawn by the pathfinding. It's gonna completely butcher the performance, which is already bad in this scene. Fucking hell, stop fucking spinning, Jesus. That did not help. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Turn that off. So they keep playing this animation. Magic attack over and over. And this transform keeps fucking sinking into the ground. Okay, now let's fiddle with these settings a bit more. Let's turn all of this off. Restart. I wonder. Okay, let's try this. Let's go to, at the same time, let's go to Google. Okay, what does the internet say? Okay, create from this model. Pretty sure that I'm already doing that. Okay, we're outside. How many you need to move your avatar to touch the ground? I mean, to be honest, all this kind of sounds like it's the animation that's fucked. Well, I shouldn't have to fucking configure all this shit to get the animation to not fuck around. Well, how am I supposed to know how fucking far? Alright, but let's try anyway. I wonder if this whole time it's been fucked because I was updating the animation instead of the avatar of the model. So just say I'll set this and then okay. And now what will happen if I mean, that looks better to me. Let's see if that works. Nope, still sinking into the ground. Bake into pose for the root transform position. Why? Bake into... Okay, let's try that. Have I been updating the wrong thing this whole time? Yeah, looks like I have. Well, that's stupid. This whole time I was updating my general animations instead of the wizard animations. And I put witch in here. Great. Oh, this is Unity being lovely. Alright, configure from this model. Okay. Whatever. The fuck are you talking about, Unity? Why are you being stupid? Fucking stupid. Fucking shit. Alright, this is the good one. And this is the bad one. With the trailer in it. They say when you're doing game development that, or when you're doing any of these sort of things, you have to pick something that you're okay being tortured by if you want it to be your career. Oh, what was happening there? Alright, so, okay, let's check. Adam Wizard, humanoid, animation. Okay, and people were saying bake into pose. Alright, well, let's try that. I'm pretty sure I was setting animations on the wrong FBX this whole time, which is why it was failing. I hope that's it. No, they're still fucking spinning. Fuck. Fuck. not gonna let me change it at runtime now. Okay, so I've set those all to be to move root motion. Let's do all these. Set all these like that as well. Let's try this. I wish there was like a different way of seeing this, like seeing what you could see the animation or the transform, and then being able to see like a stack of what is affecting it would be so useful. Oh, still sinking into the ground. Okay. And so the weird thing is that when I cast spells with just a normal character, they don't sink into the ground. So when I do this, they don't spin. Oh, they're sliding around. I don't know why it's fucking so damn difficult. I don't know why I have so many problems with animations. Let's just get one from Mixamo. Which one looks like good? Yeah, this one looks good. Honestly, could have fucking saved like probably hours on this if I didn't fuck around with this for so long. Okay. I think is it complaining about this? Pelvis for human bones. Which pelvis? Is there something wrong with her avatar? Upper chest. What the fuck? Yeah, it's her spine. That is her spine. She doesn't have another spine slot. I think that this should be like should put this into upper chest and take this out. No, you can't do that. Okay. Right, I guess that means these are the optional ones. Okay. So her pelvis. Character not in T-pose. Okay, yeah, that looks so good. Now, go back to Y. Transform which pelvis for human bone hips not found. Okay, so what now? I can't. I'm not sure if this is gonna work either. Okay, well, let's try. If I drag my witch in here. let's try this and see how that works. Nope, still sinking into the ground. Fuck my life. Okay, so on the actual right, so okay, so now let's update this and try. So why is every time I change this? Okay, let's try this. See, like, I mean, I've got other characters, right? Like orcs and stuff. And when they're attacking, they're not sinking into the ground. So why are these... Oh my god. Oh my god, they're not sinking into the ground anymore. So why did they sink into the ground before? Oh, fuck, who knows? Who knows, but I don't fucking care anymore. Just as long as it's working. So I want to get rid of this staff on that each of them has. Boom, and the other other thing I want to do is make them shoot their fireballs a little bit slower. So the duration of this animation is 2 seconds and 18 milliseconds. We'll say 2.2. So we want to go into their component and change this to 2.2. Gotta update these models as well because they have a little bit too much detail on them for an RTS. Okay, that's not happening as fast. That's happening too quickly still. Right, because the settings are coming from somewhere else. Behavior. Well, I just set it to 2.2. Why did it change back? 2.2. Okay, let's change it on the asset itself. And 2.2. 2.2. How do we change out one of them? Alright, okay. Hopefully this will be enough. And then I just gotta add the Cyclops in to throw the rock. And we'll leave it there. I wanted to have a dragon fly in and shoot a fireball, but I'm not sure if I can be fucked anymore. So, okay. I don't really like the way okay, so what I want to do now is so the fireball should shoot after like 1.1 or something. Delay after cast. Where is that being used? Play animation. Wait animation duration second. Right, okay, so what I should do is do things a little bit differently. I need to get the wait animation duration to be 1.1. And this should be 1.1 as well. Now check that. Why doesn't it update? What the fuck? Why is it like randomly choosing to update some and not other variables? So let's try that. So it should fire the fireball right after 1.1 seconds. So just as they extend their hand, it should create the fireball. And then 1.1 seconds will give them enough time to Now the other thing I don't like is I feel like the animation is jumping ever so slightly. So let's make this 1.3. No, you know what? We'll make it 1.6. Just gives them enough time to reset properly. And fire fireball Sorry, I'm doing this in another window because I mean working in one window is just so painful for me. And yeah, sorry about that. So how long does this go for? You know what? Let's try setting this to like 3.5 seconds. Let's see how that looks. I could probably make it. I think that's much better, but I feel like it's a little bit too long. So let's make it 3 seconds instead. Right, and I'm not gonna test that now. Now I wanna have this guy throwing a rock. How quickly can I get him to throw a rock? Shoot spells at target. So we'll make another copy my shoot fireballs behavior, and I put that in the wrong place. Should be shoot shoot spells at target behavior. So put that on our Cyclops, but instead of that, we'll give him a different throw rocks behavior. Okay. And now I need to make copies of everything. So cost effect. So rock cost effect. I'll just keep the distortion here in case there's some weird shit that's like looking for particle effect. Instead of fireball, just gonna make a copy of fireball and call it throw rock. And throw rock is gonna be it's going to look very funny because I'm going to move in a straight line, but we'll change that later. Fireball behavior settings, keep all that the same. Fireball model, and we're just going to change to, I'm going to find a prefab of a rock. Nope, not that kind of rock. Yeah, something like this will do. Yeah, let's do this. So it was DM1. Just gonna check. Fireball DM1. You know, I kind of like this other one a bit more. I'm gonna get rid of that. Alright, so we got our rock. Actually, why is it invisible? Ah, because it spawned at runtime. Okay, that's fine. So instead of fireball, we put throw rock here. Wonder why there's a little red icon here, but audio doesn't really matter. And animation can be fine. Okay. And you know what? Let's just try with that and see what it looks like. You should be doing like a Kamehameha with rocks, similar to how the witches are doing it with fireballs. And if that is the case, then we're most of the way there. Huh. That is not what he's doing. Okay. That T-pose doesn't look very healthy to me. So why? What? What the hell? Pelvis. Oh no, that's all wrong. Why are his arms not moving? So this is his beard. That's his head. So why is it unhappy with this? Okay, let's try. I don't expect this to work, but I just want to see what happens. Yeah, I don't expect that to work. Okay. Strip bones. Don't want to strip bones. Root node. Oh no, you press the button and I'm having a huge fucking meltdown. Says Unity. Fucking. Oh my god. Come on. Why don't you like his thumb? Why can't Unity just find the fucking shit that it wants? So why is this? So I need to rotate this until Unity is no longer upset. But Oh my god. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? Okay, let's try again. Force T-pose. Well, that looks much more reasonable. Oh my freaking god. His pose is fixed. Why? No, I just fixed it. Why did it go fucking red again? Look, Unity, I'm sick of your fucking shit. Just sort it the fuck out. Holy fuck. Why is this not working? Fuck. Why is every time I set this, it changes the direction that he's looking in? Right, that's gonna be another Google. I chest bone map. See the bone. Okay, so I can supposedly just ignore this warning. But it's not fucking saving the avatar. For fuck's sake. Okay. That's a very strange position that you want him to be in. I don't like that. Let's say we'll compromise. He'll be in this position. Can we save this? Okay. And now let's check one of these animations, but we'll put our Cyclops in there. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Oh my god. Let's try re-importing it. Look at that, it's not saving it. Unity is not saving my avatar. Avatar. Okay, let's try closing Unity and reloading it in case it's one of those janky Unity not behaving problems. It takes so long to load up the project, and I've got a computer I bought recently, and it cost about $2,500 USD or something like that. So I mean, it's pretty good computer. It was basically the most expensive one in the store, and it still takes fucking ages to do anything in Unity. Maybe my game's too complicated. Or maybe Unity just sucks. Sucks balls. Alright, let's have a look at my Cyclops. Enforce T-pose. Automap. Enforce T-pose. Now I wonder if which way it even wants these to look. So nowhere on this axis. Oh, no. See, I don't know how it wants me to fucking rotate this, right? To get rid of that annoying error. I wonder if, let's look at an orc. let's look at my orc drudge character. Right, so it wants the hands basically flat and extended out like that. Yeah, we can do that. Let's go and force T-pose. Auto map, force T-pose. Like this whole hand should be lifted. And then this should kind of face in this direction. Come on, it must be close. Fuck's sake, come on. Okay, can I save this without it resetting and changing everything? Or I might just like disable the thumb. Just get rid of it completely. Let's just put none here. None. None. Yeah, you don't like thumbs, then we'll just get rid of them completely. I doubt you'll even be able to notice. Okay, so now, come on. For fuck's sake. He is in a fucking T-pose. He is in a fucking T-pose. Why are you doing this? Why are you fucking with me so much? So what the fuck is this? Sample bind pose. Even though what it is doing is just fucking up his shit. Oh, his neck's not. Why is his neck missing? Okay, head is not a child of... Oh, because they put the fucking thing here, that's why. There we go. So if you name these other objects with the same name, it basically gets confused. Left eye, no. No, these are all wrong. Get rid of this. And he's got one eye. Right, his jaw is here. His head is here. Well, let's just remove that. Can I save him now? No. Okay, let's rename this to head 2 or something. It's really strange how Unity gets confused by that. Right, and now it saved him. Okay. So if I exit this, does that mean... Fuck! I have to fix this in Blender. And it's 12 AM, so that's gonna be a job for another time. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay. Unity can't handle this shit.